guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Basically, I try and incorporate everything on my channel. So it's been really long time that I reviewed something. So today's video is all about reviewing because it's been really long that I reviewed something and this was on my list for really long. So if you guys are yet not following me on any of the social medias, link down below, please do hit that follow button because following is absolutely free and so is a subscription. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see which is this product. So today we're gonna review Smashbox Gulabi lipstick. Now I got this lipstick in around March. But the lockdown happened and things like that, so I couldn't review it, and I actually wanted to use it and then give you a detailed review about it. So this is the packaging, this is how it came. I like the packaging, it has the red and pink vibes, and it is written Gulabi always on liquid lipstick. Now the packaging is really pretty, the pink, the red and the black, it reads always on liquid lipstick. Apart from that, it has some details over here which mentions about how long does the lipstick stay and stuff like that. Coming to this packaging, I have always admired Smashbox packaging. I have one of the lipstick of Smashbox which is Vlada's collection, and it is more of those glitter kind of lipstick. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has this velvet kind of a top and the transparent packaging to basically see-through kind of packaging which it has. So there's a cylindrical shaped box inside this, and that's the only amount of lipstick that's there, and it is around 4 ml if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it reads 4 ml, so there's only 4 ml of lipstick in this. Talking about how the whole lipstick is, now they have said that this is meant specially for the Indian skin tone, because I am a typical Indian skin tone and somehow I feel this is not meant for Indian skin tone. This is for someone who is little more fairer than me, probably 1 or 2 shades, at least 2 shades more fairer than me. That person will rock this lipstick, but not me. I have my own reasons. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You can see I've swatched it so many times over here. So I'm just gonna swatch it again just to show the camera. This is how it looks like. It's just like your normal liquid lipsticks which are matte after certain point of time. So this is your liquid matte lipstick. This is the color payoff. It is a nice color, but somehow I feel it's not meant for Indian skin tone. I will apply it and show it to you why I say this. I have a bit of a moisturizer. Now if you see, I have applied the lipstick, but it has made me look extremely flat. It makes me look that as if I am pale or probably I have some kind of illness. This is the color, and I don't think most of the Indians have this skin tone, and if they are gonna apply this color, I really don't think they will look good, because the first time I applied the color I was highly disappointed. They said it's for Indian skin tone, but I feel probably someone who is a bit of darker than me or 2 shades fairer than me might rock this lipstick, but this is not meant for my skin tone. If you are my skin tone, I don't really think it might look good on you. It is very light on the lips, which is a very good thing. I really like those matte lipsticks which you apply and just feels very feathery, soft and very light on your lips, because there are so many lipsticks in the market which makes your lips feel little heavier after the application. This doesn't feel that way. Also, because I have applied a moisturizer, the application was real smooth. Now if you do not apply a moisturizer and if you're going directly for the lipstick, there are chances that it might become cakey or flaky, because I have experienced that. It does mention on the box that it will not cake and it will not flake, but that's not true. If you have not applied any kind of moisturizer, lipstick, chapstick, anything, there are chances, I can guarantee you there are 100% chances that it might flake it, because if you have dry lips like me, there are chances that it might flake, it might look very cakey. So far not so good, I feel. And apart from that, it says it stays for 8 hours. That's what it is mentioned. Now I have not used it for 8 hours because first of all I don't like the color at all. It doesn't look very appealing to me. I am someone who wears either extremely poppy color, which is, you know, those vibrant pinks and vibrant reds, or extremely dark color. These kind of color, I usually don't wear nudes. You will not find me wearing nudes because it's not meant for my skin tone. It makes me look washed out. It makes me look extremely flat. It makes me look as if I have been sick for really long. So this is not the kind of a color I would like to wear even on a daily basis. Forget about, you know, wearing it for, you know, parties or something like that. This is not even a wearable color if you have my skin tone. There are so many lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, which you can use for, you know, which are multi-purpose. You can use it for your lips and you can use it for your cheeks as well. I tried using this for my cheeks as well, but it is very difficult to build it up. The moment you apply, it's very difficult to just build up around your cheeks as well. It just, you know, it makes it look very patchy, I feel. And it dries up really quickly. So if you have applied it one place and if you do not start the application quickly, there are chances that you will have more stain over here and less stain on the places where you have applied, where you have just, you know, tried to dab it. So this is a big no even for a blush. Now I have not tried to apply it on my eyelids. Probably I'll try it one day and let you know, but so far not great. The only thing that I like about this is that it's really feathery soft. I don't know about the transfer, but it is very much transferable. If you can see, the camera is, if camera can pick this up, but you can see the stain that is there. There might be reason that I have already applied moisturizer and you know, I applied the lipstick directly on it, so there might be one of this that it is there, but it usually doesn't dry up that quickly. If you can see right here as well, it has not really dried up. If I do this, you can see that it is smudging, so it is not that smudge proof as well. So if I talk about the pros and cons of the product, I feel that there are more cons to this product as compared to the pros. The pro is only one thing, that it is light and it feels really light on the, you know, while application doesn't feel heavy on the lips. I guess that's the only pro. If I talk about the cons of this lipstick, they are endless. The con number one for me is definitely it doesn't suit my skin tone. So if their claim is that it is meant for Indian skin tone, I guess they have forgotten that I also fall under Indian skin tone category, and I guess I can't pull off this color. I need 1 or 2 drops of more darker color just to build this up and make it look more presentable, because this is not at all presentable. Well, this is my thoughts. You can tell me if this color suits me, but I personally feel it doesn't look appealing over here. So that's one. Second is, this is 4 ml and this is for 2100. There are tons of you know, nude lipsticks which are available in the market, and which are almost half the price, or I can say, I don't know, I mean, they are way more cheaper than what this particular lipstick is. So again, a big drawback for me. 2100 for a lipstick which doesn't suit my skin. Saying that it's specially designed for Indian skin tone doesn't make sense to me. So that is second drawback about this product. And third, it says it doesn't flake, it doesn't cake. You can see it has filled up my cracks which are there, which is actually not the cracks. It just makes it feel that I have cracked lips. It is not like that. So that is another flaw which I feel is of this lipstick. On and all, if I have to rate this product over a scale of maybe 5, I would not give it more than 2. It's just a huge damage to the pocket for nothing. 2100 for 4 ml, which doesn't, if you have my skin tone, it will look horrible. If you have a lighter skin tone, probably it will work for you. You need to see, you need to try it, because what looks good over here might not look good over here. If you can see, it looks really nice and subtle over here, but it looks very horrible over here. That's what personally I feel. So yeah, that's all about it. I guess I'm very angry with the product. So yeah, well, this is my thought process. You can let me know what do you think about it. Do you like this color on me? Please do let me know that as well. And If you are yet not following me on all the social medias, link down below, please do that. And please show a lot of love. I will post more often, and till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself, sanitize, wash your hands, wear mask and go out, and miss me.